What is up, Fragrance family? This is your boy Armin and welcome back to Amoy Piranha! Okay, for today's episode, I'm going to recommend you a hidden gem. This is very cheap, mura lang siya. Pasok sa lahat ng mga bulsa nyo, hindi masakit siya sa bulsa, okay? This is a Middle Eastern brand from Saudi Arabia na I just discovered few months ago. But na-discover ko na to, actually pinapanood ko na yung mga reviews sa YouTube and mga other reviewers, sabi daw nila, this is the best. Ito yung parang new king ng Tuscan leather from the brand of Tom Ford, yung private blend. I'm talking about the vintage formulation. I'm not talking about the newer formulation which is 2014 pataas. Kasi that's already watered down and hindi na siya ganun ka-quality. Hindi na siya ganun ka-potent, ka-aggressive na leather scent with the mix of raspberry note. Hindi na siya ganun kalupit. So everyone is looking for, parang naghahanap ako ng alternative which is from dun sa Tuscan leather, which hindi talaga ako makahanap. Although, yung pinaka kasi malupit na clone na dinupe ng isang brand which is from the brand of Rasasi, which is Layukawam, I don't own a bottle of that. Dati I own, but binenta ko na agad. Kasi that was a non-magnetic na box, which is, kasi yung, if try nyo obserbahin, if you own yung older formulation ng Layukawam by Rasasi, makikita mo may mga magnetic yung box niya. It's a wooden na magnetic na I think I suggest go for the magnetic boxes. Especially I think 2020 pababa. Okay? So, although I don't own Layukawam and I don't own also mga other alternatives ng Tuscan leather. Although I love yung ganong klaseng scent profile, but still I'm looking for the parang best alternative in the market right now. So, i-recommend ko sa inyo, this is from the brand of Ahmed Al-Maghribi. The name of the scent is Leather. So, if nanood kayo ng unboxing nito, I think past few months ang in-upload ko dito, nahirapan talaga ako mag-unbox nito. So, price nito, mura lang siya sa market. Yung first bottle ko nakuha ko, this is my first bottle from this brand. Nakuha ko siya kay Juan Sagusay. A big shoutout kay Juan Sagusay from J Fragrance Corner. Huwag niyong kalimutan to message him up if you're looking for mga designer, niche, and mga Middle Eastern, mga fragrances. Just hit him up on the Facebook, okay? Or just to try to message na lang yung J Fragrance Corner. I'll just put here in the link description down below. And also, sabi ko, bilhin ko na ba to? Blind buy ko na ba to? Or kailangan ko pa muna amuin? So, before ako parang bumili, mag-blind buy, sabi ko, sino kaya meron nito sa group? Nakita ko parang none of them, here dito sa Pilipinas, none of them, they don't own this fragrance. So, I think di pa nila na-discover to, kasi maybe wala pang nagdadala dito sa mga groups natin na maamoy nila to, and to discover this one. So, it's a new discovery na talagang everyone will be amazed yung performance nito, which mamaya i-explain ko sa inyo, okay? So, nakaamoy ako from a good friend. Shout out to you, brother. I don't want to mention his name. So, nakabili siya ng bote nito. Ginulat na lang niya ako, sabi niya, oh, I bought this one. So, shout out kay Mark Joseph Santos from Elite Fragrances, man. So, dun niya kinuha tong bote na to. Then, doon ko na naamoy, patay tayo dyan. Masangsang, malakas performer, man. So, if hindi kayo mahilig sa mga beast mode, projecting, medyo aggressive, hindi to mass-pleasing, hindi to parang not a faint of heart, itong klaseng scent na to, itong leather, okay? Don't buy this, okay? Don't wear this. But if you like ganong klaseng composition, so, stay tuned kayo, panoorin nyo ang review ko ngayon, okay? So, ito, based on dun sa website nila, nakasulat doon na 3 notes lang yung minention. Leather, raw leather, ano pa ba? Dried thyme, tapos saffron. But may mga nakukuha din ako mga ibang elements, mga ibang notes dito which is not even listed on their website. So, this is a kind of scent na linear. Wala siyang transition from top, mid, base. Walang-wala. Okay? So, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung ano yung mga nakukuha kong notes dito. From umpisa hanggang sa dry down. Although, yeah, it's a linear, diba? Wala ka talagang makukuha ang transition. But there is a story behind of this scent din, okay? May kwento eh. So, yung kwento naman dito, I do get, initial opening pa lang, you will get that raw leather. Sobrang polished ng leather niya. Parang bagong-bagong leather. Imagine mo yung pang leather seats inside the expensive cars or mga bagong kotse, maaamoy mo ganun kasarap siyang amoyin yung mga bagong leather. Or let's say, mga leather jacket, hindi yung mga mumurahin na leather jacket, ang mga mamahalin, expensive, mga 10K pataas or maybe 20K pataas yung mga raw type of leather, mga jacket, okay? So, ganun yung scent niya. Actually, that's the star of the show here, leather. And the name itself says that leather, okay? So, this is a very thick composition. I do get a touch of raspberry at the background, but hindi siya ganun like tatagal masyado. Parang nagpapakita lang siya, okay? Then after nun, I do get, there is this parang thick syrupy akong naaamoy. I don't know what note yun, but try mo na lang, try to capture it on your image sa picture it itself na parang langis, sobrang lagkit ng pagkalangis niya dito. Ganun yung texture ng scent nito. Then after nun, I do get some parang fur note, parang may pagkabalahibo effect siya dito pag tinanay mo sa skin mo. Try to imagine yung mga leather jacket na may fur dun sa loob niya mismo, especially if you experience already, let's say, autumn or winter season sa mga ibang bansa, if you travel. Kasi ako nakapag-experience na ako, winter season, autumn season, based dun sa bansa ko, on my dad's country, which is in Iran, sa Tabriz, grabe yung lamig dun. So, I do get that effect here, kasi nakasuot na ako ng mga ganong klaseng jacket na may pagkabalahibo sa loob. So, it feels very cozy talaga. So, talagang this scent, it makes you talagang kailangan mong suotin to only during the colder season. If hindi malamig, malalakasan ka sobra dito. At it's going to be cloying sobra. Okay? Mauumay ka sa sobrang lakas niya. Then, I do get also, yung pinaka-interesting dito is the pencil shavings accord. Okay? So, from top to dry down, which is linear naman siya, you will get the pencil shaving accord here, which makes it the scent sobrang sexy. So, try mo na lang imagine yung saffron. There's also saffron here. A touch of raspberry at the background. A raw leather. Then, you will get also the pencil shavings accord. And may nakukuha din akong may pagka-amoy papel. Bagong papel dito sa scent na to, okay? So, I do get also, may nakukuha din ako parang amoy pulbos. Very powdery. May nakukuha din akong varnish na pintura. Yung parang pag pininturahan mo na yung mga, let's say, mga cabinet or mga doors or tables, sa sobrang kintab niya, sa sobrang bagong-bago lang nilabas from the, parang dun sa wooden carves, yung mga gumagawa ng mga cabinet, mga wood things, okay? Mga wood crafts. Ganun yung mismong effect niya dito. Sobrang sexy ng datingan, sobrang manly. It's also parang medyo, it's kinda comforting din yung datingan. For those mga taste, if yung pasok sa taste nyo to, maybe for other people, it might sound like, it's kind, for me sa nose ko, it's comforting. Para sa mga iba naman din, they will find it very, very weird. Hindi naman weird, very aggressive, okay? Very polarizing scent. Ito yung klaseng scent na a gentleman could wear this one. Like, pwede siyang semi-formal and formal occasion. Ganon ko nakikita tong scent na to. And by the way, before tayo pumunta sa Projection Longevity and Sillage, papakita ko yung pangalawang bote ko sa inyo. Ito. Ayan. I own 2 bottles of this already. Ganon ko siya ka-love, guys. Okay? So, mura lang to talaga. Yung first bottle, nakuha ko kay Juan Sagusay. Then, my second bottle, I got it from Ma'am Mix. Okay? Ma'am Mix. So, if gusto nyong gusto nyo let's say, mga hindi available sa mga ibang sellers natin dito sa Philippines, try nyo na lang message either si Juan Sagusay or si Mark Joseph Santos or si Ma'am Mix. Okay? I'll just put their shops here in the description down below. Okay? So, check nyo guys. So, wala tong reformulated hindi to walang nangyari na reformulations on this one. So, habang nasa market pa siya and habang mura pa siya, sobrang mura nito kasi umabot siya ng mga 1K plus lang. But, it's a 50 ml, okay? Malakas to guys promise, malakas to. Okay, back to you guys. So, let's talk now about for the projection, longevity, and the sillage. Yung projection nito, easy on the sprays kayo dapat dito. Huwag masyadong sobra. I think 3 sprays is good to go. Then, ikalat mo na lang sa skin mo. More than that, you will choke people out. The longevity on this one, nabulol ako konti dun Parang kailangan ko ng tubig. The longevity on this one, it will last until the entire day. Ikaw na mismo magsasawa na bakit sobrang tagal ng longevity niya. And for the sillage nito, oh my goodness. If mag-spray ako dito, okay, amoy hanggang dun. Ayun, pakita ko sa inyo. Amoy hanggang doon. Promise. Konting simoy lang ng hangin na dumaan sa akin dito, maamoy na nila ako dun. Ganong kalupit yung sillage nito. It leaves a big scent trail behind. Big sillage. You will have a big bubble with you. Okay? So, yeah, yun lang yung projection longevity in the sillage. And I highly recommend, samplein nyo muna. Kasi this is not for the faint of heart, okay? Aggressive to, malakas siya. Ito yung klaseng scent na talagang, if a man would wear this, I would parang picture it, parang character, let's say, sino yun? Hugh Jackman ang ma-recommend ko. Parang ganun yung klaseng character na mabibigay ko sa leather. Very aggressive, very manly, and talagang pag nagpolo ka dito, dapat yung mga botones mo dapat bukas, okay? And it's perfectly suit for jacket and perfectly suit din siya pag magsusut ka dito, okay? Maski hindi ka na mag-necktie or bow tie, no need na, it's fine, okay? This scent will give you that character, will give you that confidence to shine sa lahat ng mga tao na mga nagsusut ng pabango on that event or on that particular area, okay? So, yeah. And the concentration pala nito, this is a EDP concentration, but it doesn't act like EDP. It doesn't act like EDP. You judge it by yourself and testing in nyo, okay? So, I think for me, this is the new king of that parang best dupe, pinaka-best dupe, yung sobrang malupit na dupe sa Tuscan leather. If hindi na kayo makahanap ng Tuscan leather, yung vintage Tuscan leather, 2014 pababa, okay? I don't recommend 2014 pataas. If hindi na kayo makahanap noon, go for this one. If nalalakasan ka sobra dito, go with the other alternatives ng Tuscan leather, which is Rasasi Layu Kawam and mga other alternatives. Which, abangan nyo yung video ko doon kasi maglalabas ako ng video ng mga alternatives ng lahat ng mga Tuscan leather in the market. Okay? So, stay tuned kayo for that one. So, before ko tapusin to, huwag niyong kalimutan to check my inspired fragrance brand, which is Decode. Okay? So, try nyo na lang check dito sa description down below yung page ko. Sobrang mura lang ang Decode ko. So, since nagbibigay pa lang ako ng introductory price, 299 pesos for a 35 ml. It's a EDT concentration, but it acts like a perfume concentration. Huwag niyong kalimutan, you can message me on Facebook, Armin Figodante or Amoy Piranyan. Okay? And huwag niyo na din kalimutan, i-check ang indie artisanal brand ko, which is Ravash Profumi. I'll just put here in the description down below. Hopefully, nagustuhan niyo itong review ko. And till next time, Fragrance Family. Habang hindi pa ito nagre-reform, ayan dalawang bote, okay? Bumili na kayo right now. I-add to cart mo na yan. If mahilig ka mag-blind buy, okay? Message mo na yung mga nirecommend ko sa'yo dito sa description down below, okay? Till next time, Fragrance Family. Love y'all.